Alright, today we're going to talk about one of our amazing product. Alright, at Natural Moja. So this is the colon cleanse. Alright, so we're going to do a little conversation about the colon cleanse and how it work. Alright, so how am I gonna start this now? Alright, so cleanse. Alright, people say the body work in order. Alright, everything work in order. Just as our count, we count in order. Alright. So the body work in cycles. So you have 3 cycles that the body work with. The body work with a cleansing cycle, the body work with a processing cycle, and it work with a digestive cycle. Alright, that's how the body work. So we're gonna let's explain all of this cycle now. Alright, so you see in the morning, the sun starts shine from about say 5, 6. Alright, just say 5. So from 5 to 12, that would be 8 hours. Alright, so that is the cleansing cycle. That is the first cycle in the morning. So in the morning, the body will go through a cleansing cycle, which is supposed to be from 5 to 12, which is 8 hours. So you have 8 hours to cleanse the body. So this is how you cleanse the body now. Alright, so you see in the morning as a rise, in the morning and say, open your eye and say, thank you, Jesus, or whosoever. You want thanks, always if you just say thanks to yourself, right? The first thing I do is drink like some water because we are cleansed, right? That is the first cycle in the morning, cleansing. So as you drink the water, the second thing the body wants is some bitters. Alright, so as you wake up and you drink 2 glasses of water, at the same time you just take like a cork of bitters. You would drink like a cup of bitters, you just like a 2 teaspoons. Alright, so this would which it would be the colon cleanse right here. Alright, morning. And the third thing the body want after the bitters, it would be tea. Alright, so you that drink like bush tea, like tea, not Milo. Eh? You can get one for can get it for 2. Can get it for 2. I remember where I stop. Alright, and yeah. So we're educating people them about colon cleanse. So they do some tour in um different communities in Portmore. Alright. Cause we want people them stay healthy. You see, Cuba doctor them are going, so we have to step up and start with our own doctor. Alright, so after the body, after you take the colon cleanse in the morning, the bitters in the morning, which is be the second thing I take. The third thing now you that take with a drink, which yes, it would be tea. Alright. So your tea would consist of ready? Come anyone you want to know which one you want. Come choose it, man. I want you take a big one, I want you take a small one and you go say, your kind of small melon that you sell me my youth. Take anyone. But general I support the thing. Get the melon. Them know say melon good for you. Now tell them say melon good for you. Alright. Take anyone, take the big one. You're a big man, Alright, my father. Yeah man, that is it. Upgrade upon the next time.